Hello students, today's topic is MS Access. So, what is MS Access? MS Access is the MS Office packages application which is used to work on database. So, first of all, we know about database or data. Data means raw facts and figures. When data is processed, it becomes information. In the sense, raw form of any type of work, text, images, or text, figure, something, all are data. And when data is processed, it convert into information. Okay, so data and information definition is clear. Now, the second term is what is database. Database is an organized collection of related data values in such a way that they can be used to generate useful information which is necessary for the decision making and process. For example, is in the name field we have to write Ram. In the class field we have to write 8th. Okay, in the section field we have to write B. Okay, in the city field we have to write Kota. So in combined form it it shows that the person name is Ram, the class is 8th, the section is B, and the city is Kota. So all related information shows in a record form, that is called information, and information shows that in the record form. Okay, this is row. The next term, database. Okay, so what is database and what is database management system? A computer based application used to create, store and manipulate a database is called DBMS or DBMS package. DBMS in the sense database management system package. Okay, it helped to quick retrieval of processed information from large complicated database. Basically, DBMS package store data in tables, and tables are the group of rows and columns. Okay, many of rows and columns included and arranged in the tabular form. So our data are arranged in tabular form. The next definition of database management system is it is a software for storing and retrieving users data while considering appropriate security measures. It consists of a group of programs which manipulate the database. Okay, the next term is advantage of database management system. They have many of advantages of database management system. First is database management software is easy to learn and use. Second one is it reduces data redundancy. Redundancy in the sense duplication of data. Okay, third one is DBMS provides easy retrieval data, means we can easily search our data in DBMS. DBMS enables easy sharing of data, means DB database we can easily share data. Okay, means one file we have to read and the second one is they have to write. Okay, next term is next point is database system are more flexible. Basically database is more flexible for work, in the sense we have to add new record, delete any record. Okay, so append means add new record. Okay, edit in the sense we have to editing in existing data. Okay, so basically database management system are more flexible than other database management system. MS Access 2010 means MS Access and their office version is 2010, MS Access 2010 is the database component of MS Office 2010, and it is one of the popular and the most user-friendly RDBMS. RDBMS in the sense relational database management system that allows to store the information in the form of multiple correlated tables. In the sense, in RDBMS, many of tables are correlated to each other. Okay, means one table shows the student name and the class, and second table stored their address or their fees. Okay, now RD database objects. Okay, so first object in database is table. Basically, table is the base of any database. Okay, means database objects or database components are depend on table. What is table? A table is an object which stores data in row and column format to store data. Okay, means roll number, first name, last name, age, they all are fields or columns. Okay, now roll number 1 2, that is column. First name Akash Aarti, that is also column. Last name Gupta Negi, it is also column. And age 15 14, that is also column. Okay, so that is columns. Now what is row? Roll number 1, first name Akash, last name Gupta, age 15. This is all are row or record. So we can say that in about database we have two records. Okay, what is records? Basically, records are combination of tuples. Okay, means 1 Akash Gupta 15, that all are tuples, and the group of tuples, it's called record. Okay, record or row. So table is an object which stores data in the in row and columns format to store data. A table is usually related to other table in database file. Each column must have unique name. We can also define primary key in a table. So in the primary key concept, we have to teach about next class. Now table is the basic component of database management system. Information in a table is stored in the form of columns called fields or attributes. Means columns are also known as attributes, and different entries of related field values called record or tuples. Tuples are stored in the form of row. An individual field value of a record is called data value or data item. It represents the smallest possible values stored in database. Okay, so we can say that in about database we have 4 attributes or 4 column. Okay, the attribute name is R number, first name, last name, and age. They all are fields and attributes, and 2 rows or 2 records. R number 1, first name Akash Gupta 15. This is record or row. Okay, so we have 2 records or 2 rows, and in a single record we have 4 tuples. Roll number 1, first name Akash, last name Gupta, and age 15. This is called tuple. Okay, so we have 8 tuples, 4 attributes, and 2 rows or records. Now second database object is query. Basically, what is query? Query is a database component which extract or retrieve information from one or more tables of the database. Okay, so type of query can be select, insert, update, and delete. Okay, so basically query is used to retrieve information from database or database tables. Okay, next database object is form. What is form? A form is a database object that we can use to create a user interface for a database application. Okay. Next, form helps to display live data from the table. It mainly used to ease the process of data entry or editing. Okay. The third one is report. A report is an object in desktop databases primarily used for formatting, calculating, printing and summarize selected data. Means in report we can't edit or add anything. Okay, we can only formatting, calculating, printing and summarizing of selected data. Okay, uh, we can customize the reports look and feel. Okay, table structure. Okay, in database the table structures define the kind of table and the field it has. It defines the name, size and the type of various field. A data type determines the type of data in a field. There are different data types in Access. Let us discuss. Okay, so first type of data type is text. Basically data type is depend which type of values we can store in particular field. Okay, so first type of data type is text. A text field contains letters, numbers and symbols. The numbers in the text field are considered as text and cannot be used for calculation. It can store up to 255 characters. For example, A1, 13, RT, etc. They all are type of text data. Next type is number. A number field contains number. A numeric field does not accept letter or other symbol. For example, 1406, 198129 45 etc. Okay. Auto number. An auto number field stores unique values automatically when a new record is created in the table. This data type is mainly used to create primary key field. Means auto number data type is automatically insert new numbers on new record. Okay, means this is auto numbers. Next type is currency. A currency field contains symbols for currency, decimals and commas whenever need. Okay, means currency signs like dollar, rupees, euro, okay, pound, etc. with any number. Next, date and time. A date and time field contains date and time. Calculations can be done on this field. For example, 4/3/2014, 1/1/2006 or 11:45 a.m. or p.m. etc. Is there is the example of date and time format field. Okay, means when we select date and time in particular field, in in this particular field we can enter only month, means date or time only. Okay, not anything else. Means we can't write our name, our address, our mark, city, rupee symbol, anything else. Okay, next thing is memo. A memo field contains long text with all kind of data. It is used for detailed descriptions. Means if if we want to enter uh, address, okay, or any memorandum text or essay. Okay, so we have to choose memo field. Next one is yes no. Basically yes no is the logical field, contains character to represent yes no or true false value. For example, y for yes and n for no and f for false and t for true. Okay,